Hey everyone, it's me Thea, your mermaid, and today we are going back to school shopping and I have a very special guest with me, my
sister!
My sister is here and we're going back to school shopping because she's already going to school, am I right?
Yes, because we are gonna school, right?
Right, and we're
gonna buy school supplies for our school supplies.
Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna buy our school supplies and we are going to take you on to our journey to, where are we going?
SM Molina!
To the nearest SM here, which is SM Molino. And yeah, we're going to National Bookstore to buy, what are we gonna buy? Pencils,
books, and papers.
Yeah.
And bags.
And bags? We'll see about that. But yeah, see you guys in SM Molino.
Hi, I'm just gonna hide because my sister is gonna vlog. Okay, bye.
I don't know, but yeah, we're in SM Molino right now. We first stopped by at the SM stationery because there are a lot of stuffs here, like packages or stuff that aren't in National Bookstore. So we'll go around here and yeah, we'll just vlog around while back to school shopping. I already got it. She wants to hide so I can find her. And sige, let's just go with the flow and find my sister even though I already saw her. Oh, dali, tago ka na. Found you! What's that? Are you gonna buy that for school?
Yeah.
No?
No, I just
Say, I don't need them.
I need this.
Don't need that for school.
Why? This is my favorite, huh?
It's not your favorite. Let's go now, let's go.
Oh,
Let's go, bye! So here's the list of the things Aika needs for school. So we're just gonna find this stuff. Yep. So we just had to find a basket cart for us to put our school supplies in. And right now, gusto pa rin magpahanap ni Aika. So, sige. Let's find her right now. Where's Aika? Where's Aika? Where's Aika? Found you. Help me push. There, yeah, go straight ahead. Aika,
yeah.
it's time to find crayons. Careful ah.
I found it.
Found the crayons?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like this for my color.
No, you need this lang. This one. Yeah, put it here.
Kids.
Okay.
Bag.
No, not your bag, but we need folders.
Folders. There's no folders here.
There is folders.
What folders?
Should be a long folder with fasteners.
No.
Here at SM, we got it all. So near.
So near.
What?
This
No, you have your notebooks na. It's from your school. Let's go, let's go. You're so distracted. Let's go. Aika, your folders are here na. Here. Put it there. You have to put it this way. So it won't fall. Okay.